Good morning, my friends. It's early. Out here stealth camping in a heat wave because I didn't want to drive all the way home last night after I spent as much time as possible at the lake. And my friend offered me a spot in her driveway, so I didn't have to drive for 45 minutes just to get home to sleep in an oven because my house is hot too. So I cooled down my van as much as possible, went stealth in her driveway. Just now getting hit by the sun. It is starting to warm up in here immediately now that the sun has come up over the house and is hitting my van just at the very top of my van. I thought I would watch the thermometer and let's see how long it takes to warm up to unbearable in here. Science! Let's science. It's early. I didn't sleep very well, obviously. So let's watch the thermometer. See what happens. Thermometer? What is happening? It's getting warmer. The sun started hitting my car probably about 5 minutes ago. You can see it is, I'm in the driveway. It's like hitting the front of the house out there. Hey, look. Woo! Pretty. Nope, we ticked up another notch. Getting closer to 80 in here, and it's not even. Oh my gosh, it is warm, you guys. I'm gonna see if I can stand it till it's at least 100. I think I might die. My pits are sweating. I'm not really a morning person, but the temperature in my van kind of woke me up and I got really, really uncomfortable. So I'm just kind of hanging out in here, and now I'm doing this experiment and it's getting toasty real quick. If I had a thermometer for a nose, I would look kind of funny. Do, 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 do. This must be what a pizza feels like when you put it in the oven too early and the oven's not preheated yet. I feel like I'm having a hot flash, but in slow motion. I'm starting to get a little bit of a headache, and my mouth is really dry. My armpits are sweating. The backs of my knees are sweating. And I've got the dreaded boob sweat. This is not sexy. You can kind of peek out here. See, come in the driveway. In the residential area. My friend's car is over here. Oh, yep, it's hitting the car now. Look at that. That's why I'm getting toasted here. Hello, sun. Just You are not my friend. Okay. This is gonna get hot real quick. Summer, 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 summertime, 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 summertime. Oh, it's freaking hot. Oh, my cheeks are starting to get pink. My throat is really, really dry, so I'm going to take a sip of water. Experiment, experiment, experimenting with heat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm gonna drink some water. I know, exciting. Never seen anybody drink water before, but now you're gonna know what I look like when I drink water. From a water bottle. A pretty one too, isn't it pretty? It's all colorful. Did you expect anything less? If you've been watching my videos and you've toured my van, you should have known better than to think that I would have a plain Jane water bottle. I wonder where that saying came from. Plain Jane. Was it just a play on words, or was there some poor woman named Jane who just liked to wear, gray all the time and never wanted color, never showed her kneecaps, never wore her hair down? Did she start this whole plain Jane thing? This might be something for Google. For right now, I'm going to wet my whistle. I can still whistle. Alright, ready? Sexy, I know it! Oh my god, that feels so good. Oh, it's so cold. So how many of you really intelligent people have spent time hanging out in your van watching a thermometer rise in a heat wave? Oh, just me? I like science and doing experiments. Never thought I would be experimenting on myself. Now I have back sweat, and I can kind of feel a little trickle trying to make its way down into my butt crack, which is kind of tickly and not in the good way. What are we at here? Oh, you guys, this is really, really warm. Maybe this is dumb. This is probably dumb. I should probably not be doing this. And I hope my grandma doesn't watch because she'll get really mad at me. My cheeks are getting pinker. And not because of any kind of fun that I'm having in my van. The neighbor's leaving. He has no idea that there was a naked lady sleeping in his driveway. I literally slept naked in my van last night because it was too hot to sleep any other way. And honestly, it was really freeing, and I've never done that before. I mean, I've slept in my underwear, just in case something bad happens and you need to get out of your van quick and find help. But I'm in my friend's driveway, and it's safe here. And it was 80 degrees still when I went to sleep. So I stripped down in my birthday suit and I was naked in my van. out there. So let's just make you go, ooh, that's kind of pretty. Ooh. Alright, locking it back in because that's the experiment. 88. And I've got 12 degrees to go. I feel like I'm being punished, but I'm doing it to myself. I'm just curious what it feels like to be a pet. In a hot car, left in a hot car. If you have pets, please make sure you take them inside. It's 90 degrees in here already. If you are stealth camping in a neighborhood in a heat wave and you had to put up your blackout blinds, I highly recommend that you set your alarm and get up early and move your vehicle to the shade, get somewhere out of the direct sun. This is crazy, you guys. But I really wanted to know what would happen if I was stealth camping in a neighborhood and had to have my blackout curtains up in this heat. And now I know. I just want to give a shout out to all of our service members and our police officers out there and our firefighters and all those people who are out there in hot temperatures every day doing their jobs to save our lives, wearing a whole lot of gear because I'm half naked and miserable. I just want to say thank you for doing what you're doing and roasting to death so that you can keep us safe. We're almost at 100. And yeah, I am looking forward to that clicking over so I can open this frickin' door. I feel like a tater tot that's been in the oven too long and somebody forgot that they were cooking and got scrolling on Facebook, and I'm just in here like, hello, I'm crispy now. Could somebody please let me out? Yeah, let me out. Let me out. Please let me out. The thoughts of a tater tot. I made it. It's over 100 degrees in here. And you guys, it's time to get the hell out of Dodge. I've been waiting a really long time to say that. And yeah, I'm going to open my door now because I deserve it. Sweet freedom. Oh my God. Oh, you are the devil. Well, I think that's the end of my heat experiments because I'm kind of over it. Thank you for following along and subscribing. Please leave me comments. Say hello. I love interacting with you. And I'm gonna go chomp on this refreshingly cold coconut popsicle and get the heck out of my van. You know what time it is. Dance time. Dance, dance, dance. Forget that, man. It's too hot to dance. Never thought I'd say that. Stay weird, friends.